This is the project of density based traffic control and accident detection system, in which this is the traffic signal with three red, orange and green LEDs, and this is the smoke sensor which detects the extra smoke, and the IR sensor to detect the traffic density in three levels. So up to first level 3-second timer delay is used, up to the second level 6-second timer delay time is used, and up to the last level the 9-second timer is used. So depending on the density of traffic, the delay time exceeds the timer value. Once after the green LED, if the traffic vanishes, then the traffic signal will continue its routine. Otherwise, if the traffic remains even after the green signal, the system will blink the red LED indicator here and beep the buzzer. Also, the accident detection alert will be uploaded to the ThinkSpeak server using this ESP8266 module. The complete system is controlled using this STM32 board and powered using 5V 2A power adapter. Again, the smoke sensor detects the smoke, and if the excess smoke is detected, the system will upload alert to the web page.